Hey, Caleb.
Uh,
Do you remember what happened in the bathtub?
yeah.
You got an owie?
Water.
Really?
Water.
In the water?
Water. Ew.
It was ew? Because you pooped? Did you poop in the water?
Water.
What happened?
Water. Bubbles.
Yeah, there were bubbles, huh? Bubbles and you pooped. Was it gross? Gross. Did you go, ew? Ew. What else happened? Did you cry? Did you get scared of the poop? No, I'm Mama.
Mama?
Yes? What? You want to see the movie? What do you say? What else do you say? Say I
love Mama.
Good job.